Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your July read. Let's see what beautiful energies are coming towards you now, Capricorn, in the month of July. And be mindful, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Capricorn, all right. Right now, you're feeling a bit down and out, Capricorn. This is your current energy. Okay. Ten of Cups is the overall energy for the month of July, Capricorn. Don't worry, emotional happiness is on its way. I think you're just completing a chapter, completing a cycle, or maybe you're just feeling really, really down and out right now, not seeing anything exciting coming for the future. But, well, I just showed you the Ten of Cups, right? Which is the overall energy of your reading. That's such a beautiful card to have. So let's see why that is. Why are you feeling so down and out? Ten of Swords. Why is Capricorn in this feeling spirit right now? Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords. You gave up on some dream, put some burden down, even though you didn't want to. I think you didn't want this change to happen. You were looking for that stability. You were looking for this Ten of Cups. See, here it is here again. So this is what you really wished for, that I'll be stable, I'll have all my wishes come true, emotional happiness. You just do not want to let this dream go. And you're holding on very, very hard to that glimmer of hope that, this can come true. But right now, kind of losing hope, kind of feeling a bit deflated and feeling, what's the point? I might as well put this burden down because I don't see it happening, right? So some of you could be feeling that way. This could be maybe in a job you've been trying to secure your position and not feeling happy and feeling, what's the point of this struggle? I'm not getting my dues. Or this could be in a relationship, I don't know. But in the past, things seem pretty good. You have the Three of Cups here. What happened in the past, Spirit? All right. So there was some excitement here in the past. Maybe a reunion or maybe some fun times with somebody or something. It wasn't very consistent, but it did make you happy. It did give you that sense of joy and excitement till you realize that somebody maybe was playing the trickster here, or maybe fooling you, or whatever you were manifesting long term. I don't think that happened. Maybe there was a fight with somebody. There could have been some angry words exchanged with somebody. Something which, from be feeling happy and passionate and exciting turned into a bit of a conflict. And that's the reason I can understand why you're feeling this deflated. You had hopes of achieving the Ten of Cups, and now you feel it's become such a burden, I might as well put it down. So, but July has the Lovers card. So a choice is going to be made here, big choice. Let's see. Oh, and the Ace of Cups. Anyway, what I'm going to do, Capricorn, I'm going to start with the Ganesha Oracle card to start the July reading. The July energy I haven't yet spoken about. So before that, let's see what Lord Ganesha has to say, what blessing there is for July for you. So Lord Ganesha for my Capricorn, please. And the card I have for you is Surrender. Let go and let God. And I think that's where you're reaching also, because you feel I've done what I can. I'm not going to carry all the burden on my shoulders. If this is going to be all conflict, then I don't want to deal with it. So Lord Ganesha is also saying the same thing. Yes, as a child, you can surrender. Give us a job. We'll take over now. Okay. So let's see what's going to happen now. So Spirit, for July, we have the card of the Lovers. What's that for Capricorn in July? After a period of not knowing what's going to happen, Capricorn, after feeling that there is absolutely no stable, there is no stable brand new beginning being offered, or maybe money is tight, or something is just not taking off, I think luck is going to be on your side suddenly in July. I have the Wheel of Fortune, which is the card of good luck. Good luck. And yes, a choice will be made. No more confusion, no more so many options, thinking, worried, or feeling overwhelmed with, what should I do? What should I do? Should I go this way or this way or this way? This was in reverse. So that means, yes, luck is on your side. There will be some choice made after this period of feeling emotional or fearful, or things not coming to light, and feeling that, oh my god, there's nothing, nothing to look forward to. In July, I feel some major choice will be made. This is a card of having to make a choice, and this is a card of having made a choice. And then we have the Wheel of Fortune. So just wait a little while. I think the wheel is going to be turning in your favor in July, Capricorn. If you've been feeling a bit deflated, just rest up. If you can't do anything right now, heal yourself. Don't have to go into any kind of sadness, because the minute July energies come in, the wheel is going to turn once again in your favor. So let's see what else for July, Spirit. Yeah, see all the excitement is back. Ace of Wands. This is again in July energy. Creative, passionate, new beginning is on the horizon, Capricorn. The Wheel of Fortune. See what happens, Capricorn, after the 10s happen. 10 is the end of a cycle. After the 10 comes the 1, which here it is. Right? The Ace of Wands is in my hand right now in your July energy. And that's when the excitement begins once again. So, what should Capricorn hold on to, Spirit? 3 of Pentacles. One more. Yes, Capricorn, I think it's time now to create collaborations around you, maybe work with other people or work on your work or business, instead of spending so much time worrying about something which you can't control, right? Something is taking up all your energy. Maybe you're not sleeping well at night, or depressed, or crying, or whatever you're doing currently. I think it's time now to release all this and concentrate on something positive. Maybe go out and meet new people, make new friends. Drop this back and forth of will it happen, won't it happen, will this happen, will that happen. I think it's time to release all that, because sooner or later everything is going to be out in the open. Once you surrender to the universe and let the universe do their job, Capricorn, everything is going to be highlighted and out in the open, which is going to help you make this choice. So, King of Wands, what's this King of Wands, Spirit? It's time to let go of anyone who you feel is unwise. Yes, it can lead to a lot of sadness. It can lead to some regrets, maybe also, of letting go of something that maybe at one time you felt passionate about, but you're realizing that staying in this situation is not a very wise decision. Maybe it's time to kind of hold back and retract your energy from anything from the past which kind of makes you feel this way, which makes you feel sad, which makes you feel, instead of that, try and focus on positive collaborations, meeting new people, doing new things, maybe starting a new job or a new business or something. It's about, focusing your attention on positive things and surrendering to the universe. Let karma do its thing for you, for the other person, or anything else which has kind of made you feel bad. So what can be Capricorn's biggest hurdle, Spirit, in July? Capricorn, your biggest hurdle in July can be returning back to something or somebody who has been a magician in your past. Somebody who has let's say it's a job, and they call you back and say, hey, listen, can you come and work for us again? In 6 months we will evaluate your services and then decide on, what pay scale we'll be giving you. So Spirit is saying you already know that, this past job has never really satisfied you. They take and never fill your cup. So the biggest hurdle will be you believing that and going back to a situation which never worked for you in the first place. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, something has already fallen, something has already dropped. I mean, this tower has already happened, right? So allow something which has not worked for you to be left in the back, in the past, because now you're being guided. You're being guided, you're healing, you're getting guided to the correct direction of your life. You spent a lot of time on your healing, so will you let it go to waste and go back to something which never really worked for you in the first place? So how do people see my Capricorn now, Spirit, in the month of July? People see you as a bit quiet. People see you as a bit withdrawn. People may also feel that you're keeping some secrets to yourself. Your closed ones who really, really know you well, Capricorn, maybe your parents or your siblings, your best friend or something, they see you that you are coming out of a period of feeling this way. Maybe you've been betrayed, or you've been like this was your first card anyway, right? This is how you are feeling even now, like the Ten of Swords. So people around you are seeing that yes, Capricorn is healing, slow and steady. Yes, they see you as keeping a lot to yourself, not really sharing too much with too many people. They also know that you're trying to put up a happy face, even though you may not be 100% feeling happy about whatever this pain was, right, which you've just gone through. But they also see you as now recovering and doing a lot to empower yourself. You're showing up as single, abundant, beautiful, taking care of business, taking care of work, and look, things are starting to grow in your life once again, without feeling that complete sadness which maybe you are feeling currently or you've just felt. So your loved ones are rooting for you and saying, hey, Capricorn's coming back, right? They're coming back into their energy and doing a great job. They could also see you as hiding the fact that you're not completely feeling top of the world, but you are doing a great job of getting out of it. So let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you now. Eight of Swords. Why is that a secret message, Spirit? Spirit is saying, please don't hold on to, oh, so sweet. See, this is exactly the surrender card. Spirit is saying, stop overthinking the situation. You've put yourself in a mental prison of thinking, overthinking, stressing out, thinking you're stuck. And stop holding back now. You have to stop holding back from whatever's keeping you not growing. Right? You feel, where is the abundance now? Where is the growth? I've been knocked off my pedestal and nothing is ever going to work for me. Spirit is saying you have to release this fear now. This is their secret message to you, Capricorn. Release, that feeling of fear and unhappiness and whatever was toxic in your past. It's time to release all that, because see, once you surrender, we are giving you a brand new journey ahead. Passionate, creative, exciting. Page of Wands is like I said, after the 10 comes the Ace, right? So here's the little Page of Wands with a fresh new wand and saying, hey, I'm excited. I'm going to go off for a fresh, brand new journey now. This is what the universe is planning for you. Okay? So all you need to surrender, and once let's see what this is for you. What's this 10 of Cups, Spirit, for Capricorn, which was the overall energy of the read? 10 of Cups. This person has actually done you a favor, whoever, the job or person or whatever, anything or anyone which broke promises to you, which broke probably, your heart maybe, or your things didn't fructify with this person. Whoever did injustice to you, Capricorn, in the past, which made you feel this way, they've actually done you a favor. Right? You know what the favor is? A, you're going to be picking yourself up, and you're going to be having this exciting brand new journey, and you'll also be going to be meeting somebody or something that is going to make you feel on top of the world. This is going to be a very, very emotional offer coming to you. This is going to lead you straight here. 10 of Cups. So surrender. Rejection is probably God's protection. This is what is coming up for you. Wow. After this, after some promises were broken or some things didn't work out in the past, this person has actually done injustice to you, but actually put you on the correct path. Whatever this injustice was you, good karma is going to be coming your way now. So surrender, Capricorn. Just surrender. That's all I have for you till your next read now on Saturday, the Love Bite. Namaste. Love and light.